Hey friends, if you wish to use Microsoft Paint in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for Paint in the Windows search bar and open Paint. Okay. Now once Paint is open, you can import an image file to work on it. Click on File, select Import to Canvas and select From File, and then let us say we can pick this file. Now, the new improved Paint has a lot more features in comparison to its predecessors. For example, the remove background button. Simply click on it and it will remove the background. And this works amazing. It works like the online remove.bg tool. It is pretty accurate. I've used it often. And then you can rotate it like 90 degree, or you can rotate it 180 degree, or you can rotate it another 90 degree. And then you can flip it vertical, you can flip it horizontal, you can flip it vertical once again. So you can do a lot of things. I'll tell you what flipping horizontal means. It will change the dimension. Okay, so for example, my right eye will become my left eye and so on. Okay, and then the next one is that you can resize and skew it. I usually use pixels for it, and I'll keep this link button on, and then let us say I will change it to 1080 and hit enter. And similarly we can, after that, use the pencil button, the eraser. I'll show you. This is a pencil button, this is fill. I can use it for the text tool, and then I can pick up a dropper, I can pick up an eraser, I can pick up a magnifying glass. Okay, I can also use a lot of brushes. Let's say the red brush, or just hide something using it, or I can use a different kind of brush. It has a lot of options. I can use shapes, draw shapes here of any kind, and then I can also change the outline and their dimensions and the colors. And if I wish to use AI, I can use an image creator. So it has introduced this AI image creator to add AI images to Microsoft Paint easily. For example, I can write cat, or I mean anything for that matter, but I have limited credits. After that I need to pay for it, so I avoid this image creator tool. But yes, we have this option for creating images using AI and adding it to our canvas. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.